If you're experiencing issues with Baldur's Gate 3 updates getting stuck, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and functioning properly. You can do this by testing other online services or restarting your router. Step 2. Restart the game client. Close the game client completely and reopen it. This can help refresh the connection to the update server and may resolve any temporary glitches. Step 3. Clear download cache. If you're using a platform like Steam, go to the settings and clear the download cache. This can help eliminate any corrupted files that might be causing the update to stall. Step 4. Disable background applications. Temporarily disable any background applications that might be using bandwidth or interfering with the update process. This includes VPNs, download managers, or other software that could affect your connection. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the game. This will ensure that you have the latest version and can often resolve persistent update issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with the update getting stuck. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance.